CFE has more than 20 years of rich experience in the clean energy industry and more than 10 years of experience in the research and development of clean EV batteries. Bring the ultimate safety of lithium batteries for different scenarios of application products. Based on in-depth research on lithium batteries and long-term understanding of the clean energy power industry, from the perspective of lithium-ion batteries, CFE insists on the continuous and steady development of two fields of energy storage, EV power, and has achieved rich results so far. The lithium batteries developed and produced by CFE can be found everywhere on new EV and electric bicycles on the streets of China. On the one hand, we have reduced the use of petrol through the application of EV vehicles, which reduces transportation costs while lowering carbon emissions. In addition, many of the most ordinary people have been given the opportunity to serve others through clean and reliable lithium batteries, such as in takeaway and courier work, and we can see this gratifyingly in over 370 cities in China. With the global trend towards peak carbon and carbon neutral targets, Li-ion battery energy storage systems have become another pillar of CFE's business since 2018. Whether from utility energy storage systems in faraway desert hinterlands or snow-capped mountains, to C&I energy storage systems deployed in factories and supermarkets as well, and residential energy storage systems used in a large number of European and North American homes, CFE has a proven track record of delivery and service, and we are committed to contributing to the early achievement of the dual carbon goal through lithium B.